Hi viewers, welcome to Trendieviera costume. In this video, I'm come up to show you a beautiful and elegant RE kurti neck design using normal needle. For that, I already fitted this cloth into the 18-inch round frame. Now we are going to start our neck design. For that, we need two different kinds of material. First one is number 4 antique bead, another one is leader brand needle. First, we should insert double strands of sewing thread into the needle and take out the needle at the bottom of this cloth. Select required antique bead all in one and place this antique bead where it is in. Guys, don't forget to do side stitch for individual antique bead. Then only it looks so beautiful on this neckline. Once the work is done, then take the needle out of the end of this antique bead and repeat what we did before with the antique bead. At last, we will get a simple and superb antique bead neckline. Then this is the final outlook of our beautiful neckline using normal needle. It looked great, no? Now we are going to start a booty design. For that, at the bottom of the neckline, apply the filigree fabric glue at the 6th direction. Here I have already selected golden color tilagam shape stone. So place this golden color tilagam shape stone on this glue area. Then give some more time for let it dry. Then only it will not get any disturbance for our work. After getting dry, then now we are going to do Zardosi work. For that, I have already cut the required length of Zardosi. Take out the needle at the top of this tilagam shape stone and insert the needle followed by golden color plain shade Zardosi and place this Zardosi at the bottom stitch and do the side stitch for safety purpose. So this is one of the beautiful method of doing Zardosi work for this tilagam shape stone for neat finishing. Now you have to do the same process for each and every tilagam shape stone. Then only it will look like a beautiful flower shape. After complete this beautiful Zardosi work, now we are going to do hanging design. For that, take out the needle at the middle of this tilagam shape stone and insert the needle followed by 6 sugar bead and 1 number 2 antique bead. Then do the stitch like this. You have to do the same process for 3 different directions. So this is called as hanging design. You have to complete this hanging design at the bottom of this beautiful flower design. At last, we will get amazing hanging design. Now, take out the needle at the center of this flower shape and place number 4 flat antique bead on it. After complete this work, then rotate this frame at the back side and do the knot like this. If you do the same process throughout our neckline, then you will get a beautiful and amazing RE kurti neck design using normal needle. Everyone can easily do this amazing design. So hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you want more interesting video like this, then stay tuned with your lovable Trendieviera costume. Until then, this is Rashmi. Bye bye. See you in the next video.